Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Yeah, she just paused. I just told her to pause. Come tell the Faves good morning. Come here. Yes, I know. Come here. Come tell the Faves good morning. Oh, and look how better you're doing. Sit right here. Look how pretty you're looking this morning.
A container.
What's a container?
This is a container.
No, it's not a container. It's called a countertop.
It's a container.
Yeah. That's where Mama work on, and we do the pizza. Can you say morning, Faves? Look.
Morning, Faves.
Look at my baby eye. You can't tell that he had red eyes 2 days ago.
Mama,
yes.
I want to make pizza.
You wanna make pizza today?
Yeah.
But we didn't buy the pizza dough at the supermarket. How about you help Mama cook today?
Yeah.
You wanna help Mama cook? Yeah. It's not pizza dough we have.
What are cooking?
What I'm cooking?
Yeah.
For dinner?
Yeah.
I'm going to make rice and shrimp and vegetables. How about that?
No, because I don't like to.
Which one you don't like?
I don't like one vegetables and shrimp.
You don't like vegetables and shrimp? You love vegetables. Why are you exposing my inside to everybody? What? Alright, tell me what you want to cook. What do you want to cook?
In my room, I got to cook.
In your room, so you don't want to help me?
Rice.
Okay.
And orange juice.
Okay. And what else?
And water for me and taste.
Okay. So you are gonna go cook that in your room, in your kitchen, and Mama cook this in her kitchen, okay? So we have a cook competition, and let's see who wins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we go put it in which table? This one or this one?
Whichever table you wanna put it on.
This here.
Okay, we're gonna put what we cook on this table, okay?
Okay.
Come, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's see who wins. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, tack, tack. Let's go again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What? Scissors, cut, rock?
No, you have leaf, you have rock.
Oh, this is paper. So it's Tyler win. So you get to cut my paper. Okay, you win. Go. Go cook. Tell Faze later.
Later.
You guys, you see how much he's doing better? Alright, go. Anyway, you guys, as I was saying, I woke up this morning and I felt for some deep roots Jamaican breakfast. Yes, Tyler?
I am ready to cook it. I am ready to cook.
Okay, so go ahead.
It's only you and me, okay?
Okay.
Yes,
Let's see who win. And I made fritters and plantain with corned beef. And now I'm going to jump straight into dinner, because I like on a Sunday when I'm in the kitchen, I just knock it out and done, because I don't know when my feeling is gonna come on with this pregnancy syndrome. I don't know when I'm gonna feel down. Yes, Ty?
Just because he's hungry.
Chase is hungry?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna give him to eat?
No, because it's only you.
Uh-huh.
And me make Chase and me to eat.
So go make Chase something to eat.
I said it's only you and me.
Okay. So I am going to jump straight into dinner, but before I jump into dinner, let me show you guys what I made for breakfast this morning. You guys have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. I'm going to jump on with my day because I have so much that I want to accomplish today. I have to edit some vlogs, and this week is going to be a long week for work for me, so I have to get as much out of the way as possible done today. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. That sounds very British. I'm trying. And then I'm gonna multitask, drink my tea and do dinner right away. And like you guys hear me tell Tyler what is gonna be on the dinner menu, so I'm gonna try to accomplish that. Anyway, you guys, stay blessed, be good, and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Look at him. Finish eating all his breakfast.
Need to get something hot to drink now, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe stay in the kitchen, help my wife. Maybe go down. I don't know. But I hope you all enjoy your Sunday.
Stand to cook. You guys, I'm almost finished cooking. White rice is finished and my veggies finished. Is corn, carrots and broccoli. Yes, Stella? I don't know, what did you cook? Show me what you cook. What did you cook?
I cooked salad.
Oh, what kind of salad is it? Cupcake and what?
And you make what?
Yes, that's to go to the bin, to the recycle. What is this?
And I make chicken.
What kind of salad is in here? Can I see it? Wow! This salad is very colorful. It must be yummy. It have orange, it have peppers, it have lemon. What else is in there? It have lettuce leaf. What else? It's a healthy salad, Ty.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yellow apple.
It have yellow apple too? Okay, what is that?
I don't know.
You don't know what is in your salad? You're so funny. Anyway, you guys, back to my kitchen. Almost finished. Now I'm going to make shrimp in sesame oil. They seen you now. Look. You see?
Look at my train track.
Let's put it a little higher, like.
It's so. I'm younger.
You talking to them?
The book is younger, my train track.
Okay, you don't touch this, okay?
Okay.
Alright, talk to Fails. Mama soon come, okay? Mama is working.
Because I'm not feeling well like that.
But you're feeling well now. You're better.
But there's, I'm drinking too much orange juice.
So that's why you have to drink water. Give me a kiss on the cheek. Big one. Big, big. Long, 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 long. I love you.
I love you
Forever.
forever.
I love you. This big or this small? This big. I love you. And you love Mama this big or this small? This big you love Mama. And Mama love you this big. Oh, careful to my stomach.
Mama,
Yes.
can you turn my tablet, please?
Go for it. I can reach it.
What can you
You guys, he's just been loving on me for the past few minutes. He just said, Mama, can I get a
The big
kiss?
one?
Yes. Can you put this on the table, please, Mama? Thank you. Today has been the chillest day. When I say the chillest day, I mean we really didn't do anything. We really didn't do any. You guys see what I have to deal with each day? That is what I have to deal with each day. You just don't know what's going to come. Just be ready for the unexpected. We didn't really do anything much. We rest. We talk to the family on the phone, and I do a lot of editing. I'm on my second video editing right now. Yeah, Tyler took a long nap, so I got a little nap in, so that was good. But here what's going on right now. We're about to have dinner, but guess what? You know when you make something and you just don't want it, your mind is on something else. So you know what my mind is on? My mind is on the soup from yesterday.
Okay, you don't want that.
I wasn't talking about you, sir. Sure. My mind is on the soup from what you're doing? My mind is on the soup from yesterday. So I'm gonna have soup. The pot is on the stove right now, and Tyler said, "Mama, I want soup too." Like mother, like son. So I'm gonna have father. Not in this case.
Not like father.
Not in this case. I think only babe alone gonna eat what I made today.
Have to represent and to show your love to the food that you did.
Well, if you don't eat today, you'd get it for dinner tomorrow anyway. It would just go right in the fridge. So I'm gonna have me a nice bowl of red pea soup tonight for dinner again, and baby girl will be happy. Last night when I finished eating it, she was just flicking and flicking. She was so happy, and I haven't felt her since that yesterday. And this morning when I finished eating the corned beef and the fritters, she was just flicking. I said, "All right, food, yeah, see you." I realized these days every time I eat, that's when I feel her the most. She's like, "Oh yes, food, I've been waiting on this moment." So Ty and I are gonna have some red pea soup. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for dinner today. What you guys are having for din. Beat him up, Ty. Beat him up. Beat him up, Ty. Get him, Ty. Yeah. Get him, Ty. Yeah. Get, ah. No, don't hit him with anything. Just use your hand because we're just playing, okay? Get him, Ty. Get him. Get him, Ty. Punch him, Ty. Hard, Ty. Go get him, Ty. Get him. Beef could hide. Let's see if Tyler gonna find him. Tyler said he's gone for something really hard to soap him. Let's see what he's gonna come up with. That baby's there hiding him behind me. I love see when they play like this. You find it, Ty? Hurry! You find something to slap him? A helicopter. Okay. Where is Papa? I don't know. You're gonna have to find him. Where is Papa Ty? He's coming through. You don't see him?
No.
Come look around this side. Ah! Ah!
No.
It still look delicious a day later, and I'm sure it's gonna taste even more better today than it did yesterday. You guys, it's that time of the night where I get to put my little mini to bed. Rankin.
Stacy Martin.
And
that I see to Papa.
Okay. And
it's
Caroline Miller.
I don't say that to Papa because I said.
Come say the next person and then you can talk to Papa. Caroline Miller.
Caroline Miller.
Say thanks for watching, guys.
But I.
Yo, he's not happy because I just gave him his medicine, and it's not a nice place where he got his medicine, so he said, "Mama, it hurt." I'm happy it's the last one though in that area. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna do book and then head to bed. He's choosing his book. What book do you want? French tonight? You have French book tonight?
No, English.
Okay. Okay. Choose the English book. Ooh. You want that one? Okay, choose that one.
Because I read it already.
You haven't read that one in a long while.
I'm not choose it because I choose.
Alright, which one you gonna choose?
English too.
And these are all his English
The
books.
one with the mouse on it.
The one with the mouse on it?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one
With the mouse on it.
Celui-là, Tyler, papa, il a jamais lu celui-là.
No.
You know, the one of French book. With the mouse on it. Is this one?
No.
No.
It's the one
This
with
one?
the mouse because we not finished it with the mouse on it.
The English book you had today?
Yeah.
No, not that one again.
Finished.
Tell her how many times you're gonna do that same book. Choose a different book. Oh God. Choose a different book. You have lots of books. Look how many books you have. Look.
Mama.
Yes, Stella.
Yes, we didn't finish it.
Okay, you wanna do these words?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, sit there. On this. Oh, this one is not gonna be easy. Okay. What does this says?
K.
And K, what's the sound K make? Very good. And what is this?
Kite.
Very good. Can you spell the word kite?
Or K. K. I. T. E.
Kite.
Kite.
Very good. And other words in K are key, kick, king, and kitten. Okay?
Okay.
What is this letter?
J.
And J sounds go.
J.
Very
J.
good. Do you know what this is?
I don't know.
It's called jacks.
Jack.
Can you spell the word jacks?
Yeah.
It's pronounced jack to be exact.
J. A. C. K.
Very good. And other words of J are jar, jeep, jet, and jump rope. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what letter is this?
F.
And F sounds go. Very good. And what is this?
Fish.
Very good. Can you spell the word fish?
F. I. S. H.
Very good. And other words with the letter F are fan, foot, fork, and feather. Okay?
Okay. U.
Very good. What sound does you make?
U.
Very good. And what is this?
Unicorn.
Very good. Can you spell the word unicorn?
U. N. I. C. O. R. N.
Very good. And other words that uses you are use, uniform, unicycle, and ukulele. Okay? You don't want me to smell good?
Yeah, of course I want you to smell good.
Okay. Look at him sniffing me
Smells
because I just get out of the
good.
shower.
Oh, shit.
You guys, what happened? Your head still hurting you?
Yes.
You have this headache. Just throw away the entire head in the bin.
Maybe I should, but if I put the head in the bin, I have to put the body in the bin too.
You guys, we're coming to the end of today's vlog. So it wasn't much, but today was a chill day.
It was.
It was a chill day.
Yeah, it's
got
not
a lot
finished,
done.
have to do.
Yeah, we have a mission to go on after we end the vlog, so we're gonna go on that little secret mission after. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to give you guys the expressions for today, and we're gonna start off with the French expression today because Babe told me you have a French expression.
Yeah, that was the French expression from yesterday that
You wanted to give?
I wanted to give before you talk about the smoking there. So the French expression for today will be être une lumière, to be a
To
light.
be a light.
Yeah, like to be smart, intelligent. When you're lumière, when you're light, mean you're intelligent. So if somebody says something stupid, you can say, you're not a light. Alright.
Okay.
Oh, that just give me something else for tomorrow. Alright, say it.
Être comme.
No, être une lumière.
Oh, être une lumière.
Right.
To be a light.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm going to give something similar but opposite. If you see a very pretty female, no, let me tell you what it is first and then I'll tell you what it means. Pretty dance. Pretty dance is the Jamaican expression for today.
Pretty dance.
Yes, and kids like to mimic other kids and use this in schools, and even adults like to call other adults this. If you see a pretty female but she can't use her brain to do nothing, she has zero common sense, she just can't use her brain to save her life, but she's so gorgeous, you call her pretty dumps because she's pretty on the outside but inside is empty. You understand?
Pretty dance.
Pretty dance. So if you see a pretty dance,
okay, pretty dance.
right, a pretty girl without brain, she's a
No,
walking
I'm not gonna
shell.
ask you if you're pretty dance.
Anyway, you guys, here you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Yes, ma'am. Good, I get it.
He can't get enough of me out of the shower right now.
She smells good.
Bath and Body Works, and I don't remember the name of the other perfume that I have on. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.